Welcome to my video, the top paying affiliate programs. This is a Finder software search tool. It's going to save you massive amounts of time and energy, where you can find winners in seconds, absolutely free. If you're tired of wasting hours Googling affiliate programs that barely pay, and you want answers to whatever, you want the best affiliate programs that you can find in literally seconds, you're going to want to check out this free tool. If you like what you see in this video, the link's going to be directly below in the video description box. You got 4 boxes here. You're going to pick your niche, commission type, affiliate network type, other niche or special requests on this box. You're going to click submit, and it's going to pull up the best affiliate programs, the highest paying, recurring, one-time sale, CPA, whatever it is that you want. It's going to pull it up in this tool. So it's a huge, massive time saver. I wish I would have had this myself years ago. That's why I built it. So like I said, come out and check it out. Links directly below. I'm going to take you through a demo of this tool real quick, show you how it works, and then we're going to end this video. So with that being said, let's dive in here, and I'm going to show you how this tool works. We're going to go over to Microsoft Word. I've got some, these are the demo, what I'm going to put into the software for this demo. So we got SaaS, Software as a Service, / software. We're going to pick recurring. We're going to pick, I don't think I'm going to do private. It says private program, email marketing tools, automation, CRM. So what we're going to do is go over here and type these into the tool. So you got a niche here. We're going to be using this one for the demonstration. These are all the niches. Business / marketing, the one we're doing right now. Software as a Service / software. Health and fitness, weight loss, supplements and nutrition, finance, investing, crypto and blockchain, e-commerce, physical products, survival and prepping, romance, dating, relationships, self-help, personal development, parenting and family, pets, pet care, home and garden, beauty and skincare, fashion, accessories. As you can see, I'm not going to read through all these, but I've got pretty much everything covered here. Even got gaming, green, education, hobby, sports, outdoor. And if you don't see your niche here, not a big deal. Let's put other. Tell us in your niche below, which is what this box is for. We're going to go up here for this demo. We're going to pick SaaS / software. Commission type, we're going to do high ticket. We're going to put, I just need this one right here. We'll do recurring on that one. It says recurring, so we're going to stick to what that says. But you got high ticket, recurring, CPA, which stands for cost per action, or one-time payout. We're going to do recurring on this one. Affiliate network type, you can select private program, affiliate marketplace, software as a service / tech partner, open to anything. I'm just going to pick open to anything. And then in other niche and special requests, we're going to paste that in there. Email marketing tools, automation, CRM, and click submit. And we're going to wait a few seconds here, let this tool think, and it's going to come up with here we go. It's already done. So in literally seconds, you found, if you're in this niche or whatever niche you choose, you found a bunch of cool affiliate programs you can go over and promote. It's going to save you a lot of time and research. So you got active campaign number 1. It tells you the commission, 20% recurring, $60 per sale. That's an approximation. Description, email marketing and automation platform. And it tells you the next step, obviously, sign up for their affiliate program. Get response pays 33% recurring, 45% per sale. ClickFunnels, 40% recurring. And this one I promote myself. It's a very good program. And it does pay a little more than that. That's on the lower end. It can get up to the $100 or more on this one. So this is an approximation. Description tells you what it is. Sale funnel builder and marketing automation software. HubSpot, 15% recurring. Tells you how much you can make. You can actually make up to 100. That's the low end. I'm up to 1,000. I'm sorry, with promoting HubSpot. There's a description. ConvertKit. You got Send in Blue. You got Aweber. So how quick is that? All you got to do is copy this. It's not going to have the live links on this because I'm using an AI model. It comes up with a lot of false positives. So I don't want people getting bad links. But it's so easy. All you got to do is you type in or copy this active campaign, put affiliate or affiliate program at the end. Go to Google, and it's going to pull it up, the first couple links. You just go over there and sign up. Super, super easy to do. This is going to get all your all the ideas of what affiliate programs you could potentially promote. So it's going to, like I said, saves you a lot of time. I wish I would have had this years ago. That's why I put it together. We're going to do a second one here. We're going to refresh this page. And we're going to go back over to the second one here. We're going to do health and fitness, high ticket, supplements, wearables, fitness tech. We'll put that in the box here below so I don't forget it. Niche is health. It was health and fitness, correct? Let me double check on this. Yep, high ticket. And then it says private program. We're going to switch that up. And we're going to use open to anything. That way it covers everything. That's your safest bet. AI's thinking right now. So if you're in this niche, you're looking for high ticket affiliate programs, here we go. It's coming up with it right now. And it tells you all the different affiliate programs that you can apply to in that certain niche. And it's doing the same thing as before on the other one. It's just a different niche. We can go to business and marketing. This is my favorite one. Let's go back. Do business marketing, commission type, high ticket, affiliate network type, open to anything, other niche or special request. I want high paying affiliate programs in this niche. Wait for the tool to work its magic. Takes a few seconds, as you've seen. And we're good to go. You got ClickFunnels, 140% recurring, $118.80 per sale. Shopify, Kajabi, Teachable, $200 per sale. And like I said, they could be a lot more than this. This is just an approximation. I think it takes the lower end of the scale. So double check. But it's going to give you ideas of obviously the higher paying affiliate programs you can promote to. Do your own research on that in that aspect of it. Big Commerce. You got lead pages, $150 per sale. System.io, $200 per sale. Simple, easy to use. It just gives you a commission, short description, and obviously you sign up to the affiliate program. You just type in ClickFunnels affiliate program in Google. It'll give you a link to sign up. Shopify affiliate program, same thing. Kajabi affiliate program, same thing. So just come in here, choose your niche, whatever it is you're looking for. It could be a high ticket program, could be recurring, could be a CPA one-time payout. Make sure you do this last box here because it gives a lot better results. If you just put something in this last box, the more detailed you get here, you don't have to be long with it. You can be brief, but just put something here that's kind of detailed. It'll give you a lot better results. So with that being said, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy the free tool. It'll save you a lot of time. Links directly below in the video description box. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave a comment in the description box below. Hit the like button if you like this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.